Thank you very much to take your time. I'm Nozomi Shimo Ishizaka, a very long name from Japan. So I'd like to discuss and describe our new flip-chip interconnect technology in briefly. And this is today's contents, core contents, new technology and new flip-chip package and applications and for next generation. So you know the IC technology trend is fine and high integration like 28 nanometer or 22 nanometer or 18 nanometer. And the IC substrate use ULK substrate. And IO pins is very high count nowadays. And interface frequency is now 5 or 6 GHz, but the next generation over 10 GHz is needed. And the power consumption is another problem. Now under 3 watts, but the next generation over 5